All right. Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? Are you doing good? Are you doing okay? Are you not doing okay? If ano mang nararamdaman mo today, you are in the right place. Yeah. So, thank you so much, guys, for waiting. Just wanted to give you some sort of a disclaimer. So, supposedly, today, dapat, ang webinar natin is all about the Go High Level training. So it should be a Go High Level event today. So dapat magdi-discuss tayo ng about Go High Level, so on and so forth. But due to some um, sudden unavailability, yung unfortunately hindi po nagre-respond currently yung speaker natin. So I have decided, since naka-post na ako, I have decided to share to you a different thing na lang. So I believe that this thing or this topic that I'm gonna share to you today is something that you can take advantage of because lahat naman tayo naghahanap ng client. And recently, sa awa ng Diyos, this system that I have established, which is called lead generation and outreach. Fortunately, it works for me, and I'm gonna teach you the fundamentals or the basics of how to land and keep clients. So, this is a topic that I have shared sa New Bataan Davao de Oro, and I'm gonna share that to you today as well para naman meron tayong mapulot or at least meron tayong guide on where to find clients, right? Aside from finding clients on job sites, so on and so forth. So this idea was proposed by my friend Kevin Moiler from Cagayan de Oro City. So nagtatanong siya, paano makahanap ng client via outreach and lead generation. So sabi ko, if I will explain that to you today, bro, it will take me a lot of time, or it will take me long time to explain it. Nakakapagod mag-type, you know. So I have decided to do this. Anyways, if just in case, guys, you are watching and you are tuned in, please comment down below taga saan ka, so that we will know saan umabot tong live natin today. Alright. Ayan. Alright. So currently, guys, nag-respond na in LIT. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. So Dava, alright. So ngayon lang po nag-respond yung client or yung speaker natin. But it's okay, ma'am, if nanunood ka. It's okay. It's totally fine. Things happen, you know, things happen for a reason. And I'm so happy that you have responded. Anyways, guys, thank you so much sa mga nanonood today. Hannah, meron tayong commenter dito, Hannah Cruz from Davao. Shout out sa mga taga Davao dyan. Alright, so with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and let's go to our topic today. So please share this live if meron kayong mga kakilalang gustong makahanap ng client para matulungan natin, or para at least mabigyan natin ng idea kung paano ba maghanap ng client. Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Alright. How to land and keep clients as a virtual assistant in 2025. Ayan. So this information that I will gonna share to you today, guys, these are mainly based on experience and based on ChatGPT or market research. So ChatGPT played a big role on this. So let's go. So before I start, guys, before I proceed on the topic today, or on our discussion today, I just wanted to ask, have you ever tried finding clients on Facebook, on any job sites, so on and so forth? If so, ano yung resulta? Comment down below if ano yung naging resulta. Are you successful? Are you not successful? Is it working for you? Is it not working for you? If you have something to share, just comment it down below. All right. Okay. So, guys, there are some changes that we will do. Fortunately, nandito na po yung speaker natin. Let me see. Parang Google Meet, ewan po. There's some changes. But anyways, we will invite our speaker today. So, sabi niya, kanina pa ako dito nag-join sa Google Meet. Yan kasi, Imperial Andrea kasi yung nakasulat. Sorry. Wait lang ha. We're gonna change something. We're gonna wait for our speaker today. Ma'am, akala ko kasi si Jihan di Aldama yung yung speaker natin today. Wait lang. So if you can join here na lang, ma'am, instead of Google Meet, that would be appreciated. O, di ba? Live tayong may challenges na nangyayari. So, ayan. Balik natin. So we can do the other part na lang siguro, yung how to land client on a different time. Kasi fortunately nandito na po si Ma'am Imperial or si Ma'am, anong tawag dito? Si Ma'am Andrea. Alright. By the way, guys, while waiting, I just wanted to thank all of the sponsors for today's event. Ayan. Let me, paano ba ito i-present? Ayan. Ayan. So just wanted to thank first our sponsors for today's video. So, of course, VA Rookies. Hindi ito magiging possible if hindi ito naging live sa platform natin, VA Rookies PH. Also, guys, by the way, announcement, may Instagram page na po yung VA Rookies. So please like and follow VA Rookies on Instagram. That's va.rookies_ph to get the first updates on all of the posts that I'm about to post on Facebook. Ayan. Alright. Wow! Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am Keith Ketura de Los Santos. I miss you, ma'am. Pumuti ka. Sana all. Alright, with no further ado, nandito na po yung guest speaker natin for today's video. Ayan. Hello,
Sorry! Hello! Kanina pa ako, mga 5:55. Sabi ko, bakit hindi ata tuloy? Tapos nag-message ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, hindi pa tuloy.
Sorry, ma'am, I really thought kasi na yung pangalan mo is Jihan. Tapos,
okay. Oo. Ayan na.
Kasi yung last na naka-interrupt ko, ma'am, is si Jihan. Tapos, Jihan Andrea Aldama. Tapos,
same kaming Andrea.
Yes, tapos yung pangalan mo kasi Imperial. So I have parang na-mix up ko. Then I thought hindi siya nagre-reply. So that's the reason why.
Okay lang.
But anyways,
sorry, guys.
I'm so glad.
Na. Yes.
Yeah, I'm so glad ma'am na nandito ka.
Finally.
Yes, exactly. So, ma'am, I just wanted to ask you, how are you today?
Nilalamig. Kasi
maulan ba dyan?
Maulan na rin. Parang nag-start na siya nitong Monday. Yan, tas dire-diretso ng umuulan. Yun.
So, where are you from, ma'am? Taga saan ka?
Taga Marikina ako. Actually, originally, Mandaluyong. Since nagpakasal na ako, so dito na ako sa Marikina. Taga Marikina yung napangasawa ko yun. So,
sana
ito nga sa taga Marikina. Yes. Finally.
Alright. Shout out sa mga taga Marikina. Anyways, yes. It's a challenge for me, ma'am, kasi I'm from Mindanao.
So, pala kayo? Oo.
I'm from Davao del Sur, so it's a challenge for me na mag-Tagalog. But I need to practice myself to mag-Tagalog kasi most of the people that is following the page is from Luzon. And most of the people na nakakapag-collaborate ako is from Luzon as well. So, yeah, it's a challenge for me. It's a challenge for you as well, I believe.
Oo nga
so, yeah.
Tatry ko na lang mag-mix ng konting English.
Yan. Anyways, ma'am, can you tell us a background of your work experience? Saan ka nagsimula?
Yes.
So on and so forth.
Leap of Faith. So, nag-work ako dati as BPO. It's a collection company, collection agency from US. So, nag-decide na ako mag-leave doon after 2 years. Then, yung friend ko, niyaya ako try mo mag-virtual assistant since, di ba, nag-pandemic. So, lahat tayo, we work from home. So, sabi ko, why not part-time lang naman. And then, nung tumagal, since, alam mo na yung, yung gusto mo siyang gawin na hindi ka lang steady sa isang sa isang knowledge na parang continuous learning na tas ang daming apps na ginagamit. Tas parang yung utak ko na parang nakakatuwa naman 'to, parang gusto ko na 'tong i-pursue. Tas yun nag-resign ako. Then yun na the rest is history. Naging talaga ako, doon ako sa path ng real estate virtual assistant. So mga real estate agent siya sa US yung kinikater namin, and then ito na 3 years na ako dito. Then one of the apps na na-encounter ko is yung Go High Level. So, pero marami. Kasi yung parang pag naging real estate virtual assistant ka, parang jack of all trades ka eh. Wala kang ima-master. Kasi, madami silang apps na ginagamit. Marami silang parang kailangan kuhaan ng source ng kanilang client. So, pag real estate agent sa US, just lang background, sila, parang hindi sila nag-i-stay sa iisang lugar. Parang kailangan, sa iisang tools or apps. Marami silang kailangan aralin, marami silang kailangan, depende pa yon kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Kung real estate agent sila na coach, tapos meron silang properties na mga for rental na kailangan mong i-manage. So, napasok ko na rin yun. And then, meron din yung mga sa social media. Usually, lahat ng mga real estate agent, parang one of the tools na ginagamit nila is mga sa social media. Mga Facebook, Instagram, Facebook ads. Yan, mga ganun. Para ng mga client. Kumuha ng kanilang leads. So, medyo malawak si real estate virtual assistant. So, parang ikaw, parang kung gusto mong pasukin yun, kailangan ready ka sa fast pacing kasi hindi sila steady sa isang apps. Parang sa isang real estate agent, ang ginagamit niyan is 5 to 10 na apps, software, usually mga basic, pero may mga kasi sila different states, different ng ginagamit ng mga tools, especially sa paglilisting ng kanilang mga properties. So iba-ibang parang kasi yung area of service nila is iba-iba. So,
I see. Ayan, well, I have used Go High Level before din, ma'am, and I can really tell na though it's a very, not that complicated, however, it's tanong ka talaga sa self mo, is it really manageable? Yeah. Tama ba tong ginagawa ko? Sorry, I lost out of words. But anyways, ma'am, have you prepared some sort of presentation? All right.
Yes.
So I will leave the floor to you, ma'am. You can now share your screen and you can start with your presentation.
Thank you. So I will try my best na padaliin lang to window para mabilis lang tayo. Teka.
While nagpe-prepare si Ma'am Andrea, please prepare your questions, guys. If you do have questions specifically for our topic today, please comment it down below so that Ma'am Andrea can answer it while he's explaining or after the actual session. All right?
All right. Then, there. Yep. Share. Here you go. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. We can see your screen right now.
Okay. So, introduction to basic Go High Level. So, let's start na, guys. So, as a real estate virtual assistant using Go High Level, so, ito yung parang basic lang na knowledge natin sa Go High Level. Parang, halimbawa, alam mo, parang tinanong ka ng client, alam mo ba yung paano gamitin itong Go High Level? Usually, sobrang dami ng demand na itong Go High Level kasi nga yung ino-offer niya ng mga features sa mga sa mga client nila. Sobrang ganda. Kumbaga, all-in-one kailangan as a real estate virtual assistant. So, si Go High Level, ino-offer nila yun para mapadali lang yung kanilang process ng reaching out, follow-ups, getting leads, So, i-ano ko lang yung mga basic. So, bear with me. Then, oh. So, next one is a little bit, since na, ano ko naman na yung, background ko. So, I'm been with working as a real estate virtual assistant for 3 years now, then 2 years using Go High Level. So, yung mga client ko is, actually, isa lang, yung client ko is ginagamit niya itong Go High Level to, yun nga, follow up, manage pipelines, tsaka yung mga daily operations, like sending emails, sending newsletters, sending texts, and calls. So, yun yung ginagawa ni Go High Level. Next is, so ito yung topic natin is, ano yung Go High Level, key features, and how to become a virtual assistant that can use Go High Level, and then common question and needs. Masyado ba ako mabilis? And next one is, what is Go High Level? So, maraming parang natatakot na, ay, Go High Level, parang kailangan techie ka dito, kailangan parang ano sila sa sarili nila, nagdadalawang isip. Pero hindi, ano lang naman siya, it's a basic CRM na ginagamit ng mga coaches, mga companies na usually busy sila, parang kailangan na lang nila na mag-work ng automations para makakuha ng mga leads nila ng mga customers. So one of the examples, since I'm with the real estate real estate industry, yun na lang yung gamitin natin example. So instead using ng Calendly, Mailchimp, ClickFunnels, HubSpot for CRM, then ActiveCampaign for automation, and then reputation tools for reviews. Usually, sa reviews, ang ginagamit nila is yung Google reviews. Kukuhain nila yung link, and then ipopost nila, 'di ba, kung saan-saan na parang manually na medyo mahirap. So, lahat to, kayang gawin ni Go High Level. Parang all-in-one na talaga siya, na parang daily operations na gagamitin ng isang real estate agent. Next is yung mga key features. Hindi ko madidiscuss lahat kasi aabutin tayo ng sobrang habang oras. Pero yung mga key features lang na ginagamit ng isang real estate agent, coach, or agencies ang i-discuss natin. Next is, so when you open Go High Level, so may dashboard, conversation, calendar, contacts. Dito, once na dito sa CRM and pipelines, once na import nyo na yung mga contacts, parang through iba-iba kasi paano makakuha ng lead yung isang real estate agent. Usually sa mga webinar na pag nag-offer sila ng course, or gusto nila na parang nag-offer sila ng mga consultations, and then minsan kumukuha sila sa mga parang company na nag-offer ng mga leads. So, babayaran nila yon. Kunin mo yon, ikaw na yung mag-nurture doon, mag-reach out. And then, dito sa opportunities, ito yung parang isi-segment mo na siya. Parang malaman mo lang na, ito, added lang, parang in pipeline, discussion. Depende kasi sa real estate agent, yung mga ano nila is new lead, hot, warm, and cold. So, aalamin nila, i-determine nila kung ano na ba to, parang may range na parang ready na ba to bumili, or in 1 to 3 months, ready na ba to in 3 to 6 months. So, dito siya, i-change lang yung title, and then isi-segment mo na siya, depende sa status ng leads. Next is, so panels and website, drag and drop builder lang siya. Makakakita kayo ng meron na siyang pre-template sa loob ni Go High Level. So na pwede nyo nang i-edit based sa branding, Pwede nyo na i-add yung logos, pictures nila. So, makikita nyo, di ba, sa mga nag-o-offer ng panel website, may mga ganun, panel and website. Kasi medyo, hindi naman sobrang komplikado. Kumbaga yung visual, kailangan creativity sa paggawa nung, hindi naman sobrang creativity. Kumbaga, meron ka lang, si client is merong gustong gayahin na website na parang i-recreate. So, gagawin nyo siya, may mga pre-template, may mga code, hindi naman kailangan ng code, ng mga medyo advanced na kasi yon kapag kailangan ng mga CSS, yung mga code sa HTML. So, ito, drag and drop lang, parang it takes sa isang builder, parang 15 minutes to 30 minutes, depende sa gustong design na mangyari nung client nyo. So, madali lang naman siya. So, ano ba nga ba pagkakaiba ng funnel tsaka ng website? Ang funnel kasi is, isang page lang siya. Parang diretso lang siya na once na pagka-click na itong button consultation, iaano na siya sa forms. And then, makukuha nyo na yung, isa to sa one of the example na makakakuha ka ng leads. So, then pwede mo na siyang i-nurture, i-follow ups na parang, hey, na saw you, na nag-sign up ka, parang ganun. So, ayun yung parang way nung website. Kasi, wave ng funnel. And sa website naman is medyo marami. May about, may contacts, yung contacts ng website, ano yung service na ino-offer. So, medyo marami siyang pages na in-all-in-one. Next is form and surveys. So, ito, isa sa mga example, parang example para makakuha ng mga leads. So, pagka nag-sign up, gumawa ka ng landing page or website, i-integrate mo or ilalagay mo dun yung forms. So, sa forms na yun, lalagay nyo yung full name, phone, email, depende kung ano yung gusto nyo makuha. Pwedeng, usually sa US, parang medyo ano din sila sa pagbibigay ng information. So, full name and email, yun yung madalas na nilalagay sa form. Kasi pwede mo na sila dong makontak. Send ka lang ng email, pwede mo na silang ma-nurture, send ng newsletter ng client. So, ito yung one of the best way na makukuha ka rin ng leads. Next is email and SMS campaign. So, drag and drop lang din to. So, dito sa side, nandito yung mga gusto mong ilagay sa newsletter mo. So, pagka click mo lang yung text, idadrag mo lang dito, tas drop mo lang, then edit mo na, change ng colors sa branding ng client mo. So, ito yung itsura kapag nagagawa ka ng email nila ng personalized email. So, next is calendar and booking. So, dilalagay din to sa mga landing page, sa funnel, sa email, sa text. Pagka nag-create na sila ng parang link, para lang din siyang Calendly, create ka lang ng event, and then, kunin mo yung link, then share mo lang dun sa buttons na gagawin mo sa landing page or sa website. Then, ipipaste mo lang dun. So, may tab dun na parang URL link where you want to direct them. So, lalagay mo sila dito sa calendar. Then, pwede ring i-sync yung since old ano na yung ginagamit nila, matagal na yung Google Calendar or any calendar, pwede nilang i-sync dito. And then next is workflow and automation. So, ito medyo tricky kasi though hindi naman siya sobrang hirap, may mga available naman na templates, pre-templates na pwede nyong gamitin. So, ang bago kasi nila, for example, may nag-miss call sa'yo. sisendan mo sila ng parang automatic na message na, "Hey, Miss your call, what can I do? How can I help you?" May mga ganong instances. So, si automations, ito na yung parang new sa kanila. Kumbaga, kasi nga, 'di ba, busy sila, marami silang ginagawa, hindi nila agad nare-replyan. So, ito yung parang way na parang hindi na umano yung di maramdaman ng client na, ay parang di ako ni-reply, sobrang tagal mag-reply. So, sa automations, pwede niyong gawin yun. Pwedeng email, pwede ring text, or pwedeng, ang bago nila is yung sa social media, once na, 'di ba, nakikita natin, 'di ba, familiar kayo na DM this specific word, for example, DM home, and then once na nag-DM sila ng home, meron parang makaka-ano ka ng receive ka agad nung message na, "Hey, para click this button to get the freebies," or yung kung ano yung ino-offer nila, click this button um, ang tawag nito, mag-schedule. So, automatic yon. Kaya din gawin yun ni Go High Life. Kung familiar kayo kay ManyChats, so, kinuha nila, parang, yun nga, kinapi nila na parang yung automation, then mas parang in-improve nila. So, yun yung bago ni Go High Level na parang medyo, save time, parang ganun, sa mga client or coaches na busy. So, and then ayaw nilang, ano yun, ayaw nilang palampasin yung leads na to kasi sayang eh. Next is, so, repetitions and management. So, yung binanggit ko kanina, di ba, yung Google reviews. So, pwede nyo nang i-connect siya dito. So, parang pag nagawa ka ng funnel, parang meron dong tab na i-add mo yung Google reviews. So, lahat ng Google reviews from Google, ika-capture ni Go High Level, and then makikita mo na siya doon. Tapos, pwede mo na siyang ilagay dun sa website, landing page, para lang makita yung mga Google reviews. So, automatic na rin siyang lalabas dun sa pag in-add nyo yung tab na yun. This is mobile access. Meron silang mobile access. So, parang, hindi ka makakagawa dito ng mga funnel or website, pero yung calls, emails, mamamanage mo dito. So, maano mo siya na, ay, galing tong from Go High Level. So, ma-determine nila, saan kaya galing tong client na to? Parang, ano yan, I think it's a lead connector yung pangalan ng apps, and then may Go High Level. So, parang dalawa siya na pwedeng magamit tong client as mobile access. Then, yeah, each of these features can stand alone, but when combined into a system, it's like having an assistant, marketer, and CRM all in one. So, usually, si Go High Level is talagang, ano siya, nag-work siya, not independently, pwedeng independently, pero pwedeng mas, ano sila, tawag na ito, magsama-sama. So, magbibigay ako ng example about funnel. So, for example is gusto nyo gumawa ng landing page. Punta lang, ito yung interface niya. So, once na nag-login ka, so, makikita mo yung launchpad. So, medyo slow lang si Go High Level. Yan. So, lahat ng mga apps or tools, dito mo makikita kung nakakonect. So, yung Google, Facebook, ano pa ba yung mga pwede? Social medias nila, pwede mong i-ano doon. Yung Stripe, kung meron sila, pwede rin. So, punta tayo ng sites. Then, new funnel. So, hold on. Meron siyang, pwede kang leave ng, hold on. Pwede kang gumawa from the scratch. Kung meron ka ng idea na nabuo since yung gusto mong gawin or designs, pwedeng from the scratch. I think itong si Funnel AI is parang may additional siya. And then itong from templates, so ito yung mga pre-template na sinasabi ko kanina na madali na lang naman i-design, ipa-personalize nyo na lang, depende sa gusto ng client ninyo. So, yan, may mga pang-automotive, pang-fashion coaching, legal counsel, iba-iba. So, in-offer din to. Kumbaga, funnel building kasi nga, wala na silang time mag-design. So, pwede nyong gawin to. Madali lang siya actually. Example natin is, hold on, this one. Ito na lang sa pinakauna. So, gusto mo mag-offer, then continuous lang, adding template. Yan. Yep. So, ang tips lang dito, hindi siya nag-auto-save. So, parang parang kada edit nyo or kada update nyo, i-save nyo na lang siya, i-save nyo siya kasi nga hindi siya nag-auto-save. So, ito yung example ng create ng funnel. So, dito sa plus, gusto nyo mag-add ng panibagong section or parang gusto nyo mag-add ng ibang ng ibang design. Drag and drop lang sabi ko sa inyo, then add rows. So yan, then add elements. Sa add elements, yan, meron tayong text, form. Ito yung sasabi ko yung form, idadrag and drop lang. Sa mga blogs kung meron siya. Media, so sa media, image slider, pwede ring video, image, FAQ, then photo gallery. So, yan yung mga pwedeng Then, custom, ito yung sabi kong code. Medyo, kung techie ka or advanced ka na, alam nyo na magagamit nyo siya. So, mga survey, calendar, maps, SPG, then reviews. Ito yung sasabi ko yung reviews. Kung may reviews na na-available or nakakonect, pwede mo na siyang ilagay doon. Drag and drop lang. Laging drag and drop lang siyang ganyan. So, yan. Kung meron, if wala siya ganyan lang. Ganyan siya yung magiging itsura niya. Next is, yung mga blocks, navigation menu, ito yung makikita natin sa pinakataas. Siya. Yan, yung logo, dito mo maa-add siya sa baba. So, nasan yung logo? Yung images niya. Dito mo siya yan, brand logo. So, pwede kang i-upload, click mo lang tong parang image sign, then upload mo lang dito, then lagay mo na dun sa loob ng funnel. Yung business name, dito lang sa gilid siya. Sa kabilang side naman siya, may edit ng Go High Level. Then next is, image features, progress bar, parang ano lang naman din siya, yung parang, alam nyo na yun, yung progress, lagay nyo lang yan dyan. Makikita nyo lang yung gumagalaw siya kung depende sa gusto nyong ilagay, kung ano bang mga answers, mga ganun. Next is, pag nag-o-offer, pag nag-o-offer sila ng courses or nagbebenta sila, ito yung ilalagay natin sa parang another page na parang thank you. Ito yung pwede namang ilagay ng parang pag nag-order tayo, di ba, sa mga Shopee. So, pwedeng ito yun. Sample ko lang is yan. Company name, full name, email address, phone, shipping. So, ayan. So, etong sa mga ino-offer nilang courses, nandoon siya sa, hindi mo siya may edit dito. Hindi. Kasi, yun yung ano niya. May sarili siyang, tab or pictures na pwedeng dun mo may edit. Bigyan ko kayo ng idea kung saan makikita yung mga ganun. Dito sa membership. And then, courses, then products. So, i-connect mo lang. Kung may course dito, gagawa ka ng course, connect mo lang dun. So, Next is how virtual assistants can use Go High Level. So maraming way para magamit mo si Go High Level para maging virtual assistant ka. So una, yun na, client onboarding, contact management. Kasi ang mga client, naghahanap sila hindi sila ganun lahat ka-techy. Depende, iilan lang na parang sila, mostly mga magagaling sila sa mga visual, sa mga marketing, creatives, nagagaling sila doon. Pero yung pagdating sa back end or parang pagma-manage ng mga contacts or medyo hindi nila masyadong sikaso yun. So, ikaw yung gagawa nun para sa kanila. Ikaw yung isi-segment mo yung mga client na parang na ba siya, parang iba-iba kasi yung client na tapos closing pero nagna-nurture pa rin sila at bebentahan pa lang nila, i-reach out pa lang nila. So, yun. Setting up automation for follow-ups and leads nurture. So, ito yung pwede kang gumawa ng automation para sa kanila na parang, yun nga, may miss calls, may mga gusto kang isend na parang ng emails, pwede yun, parang nurturing mo siya. Kumbaga, pwede kang gumawa ng 1 taon na naka-schedule na email using Go High Level para sa kanila. Kumbaga, naka-setup na to na parang every month or every week or na isa-send sa mga leads nila. So, pwede mong gawing i-offer yun para sa kanila using Go High Level. Then, managing pipelines and keeping sales organized. So, pinakita ko kanina yung pipelines. So, makikita niya yung status ng each ng leads na parang nag-reach out sila. Kung cold caller ka, magagamit mo siya kasi parang may mga status kasi yon. Kumbaga, ayaw na magpatawag, mo yun sa no calls na. Pag gusto na parang may plano na bumili 1 to 3 months, dito mo siya ilalagay sa parang 1 to 3 months na leads. Gusto na 6 to up to year. So, depende yun sa parang kung gaano sila katagal, kung gaano katagal yung nila, yung range nila bumili ng bahay. So, doon mo ilalagay sa managing pipelines. And then, tracking performance via dashboard and reporting. Ito is sa newsletter. Meron kasi yun, makikita mo sa mga emails, sa mga makikita mo kung ino-open ba yung emails nila, kung anong buttons yung or link yung nila, kiniklik nila, tapos yung makikita mo siya sa report ulit. Pakita ko sa inyo. Makikita mo siya doon. Makikita nyo siya sa Go High Level, sa mismong newsletter, para makikita yung ano bang tawag doon? Statistics. Yun. Makikita nyo na parang, ano ba to? Parang, working ba to or nagper-perform ba ng maayos tong email na to? Then, from that, pwede nyo nang i-ano sa kanila na, ay, alisin natin to, baguhin natin to, ay, yung design, hindi ganun, madedetermine nyo. So, pwede nyo ring i-offer yon using Go High Level. And then, supporting clients, campaigns, calendar links, and more. So, yun. Ang pinaka parang popular sa kanila is yung sila ng courses. So, pag nakagawa ka na ng landing page, ng forms, ikaw na rin yung ikaw na rin yung mag-nurture or mag-send ng mga follow-ups. So, pwede mo siyang i-offer using Go High Level. Next is common questions and answers. Is Go High Level hard to learn? Hindi naman. Hindi mo naman kailangan sobrang techy ka. So, lang siya, madali, nakita nyo naman madali lang naman siyang drag and drop lang dun sa mga funnel. Yung mga technical error, meron naman silang ino-offer ng mga customer service representative. So, pwede kayong humingi ng tulong. Meron din silang parang course or parang pwede kang mga help center na sa mismong website or sa mismong app. pwede mong hanapin yung sagot do'n or pwede mo ring gamitin si ChatGPT na parang may certain kang gustong gawin kay Go High Level or may certain na nangyayari, type mo lang kay ChatGPT or type mo dun sa website nila, makakakuha ka na ng sagot. So, pagiging resourceful lang or hindi ka naman sobrang gano'n kailangang ka-techy, aralin mo lang siya in your own, pace. Iba-iba kasi yan, eh, may mga visual lang na parang or on hand kailangan ko na depende sa'yo, i-assess mo muna yung sarili mo, paano ba ako natututo, paano ko ba naa-absorb yung isang information, in parang sa anong way. Ako kasi kailangan on hand, parang kailangan ginagawa ko siya, parang gano'n. Parang kailangan ko pa, ay kailangan ganito, then pagka ano ko na siya, nagagawa ko na siya daily, pina-practice ko yung sarili ko. So, ang ginagawa ko, once na may tools ako na gustong aralin, I'll make sure, trial muna. Magla-login ako do'n, maggagawa ako ng sarili kong company, trial. So, yun yung isang ginagawa ko para matutunan ko yung isang apps. Then, yun na, i-explore ko na siya, gagawin ko na lahat ng ay, pag ginawa ko ba to? Pag kinilik ko ba to? Anong mangyayari? Kapag inad ko ba to? Anong mangyayari? So, in your own pace, um, in your own terms, wag niyong masyadong pahirapan yung sarili niyo na, ay, kailangan ko aralin to agad. Relax lang kasi minsan kasi mas yung ano natin yung utak na pag relax tayo, minsan doon natin na-a-absorb yung knowledge. Next is, not will this replace my other tools? Mostly, oo, yung iba. Pero yung iba ginagamit pa rin 'to si Calendly kasi mabilisan. Si Mailchimp, si ClickFunnels, ginagamit pa rin nila 'yan. Pero yung iba, parang gusto na nilang 'pag ginamit nila yung Go High Level, paunti-unti, mawawala na rin 'to. Hindi na nila 'to gagamitin. Dati yung client ko gumagamit siya ng mga Mailchimp, ClickFunnels, lumipat na rin siya kay Go High Level kasi nga nandodo'n na. Kumbaga nasa-save din ng pera para sa kanila kasi nga yung mga subscription. Can a virtual assistant really manage this for client? Absolutely, yes. Kasi marami kang pwedeng i-offer using Go High Level na sabi ko na kanina. So, yes na yes. Aaralin mo lang siya. Then, yeah. Q&A na tayo. Kung may question kayo,
All right, guys. So if you have questions with for Ma'am Andrea, dinin niyo ba ha? Or if you do have questions with Ma'am Andrea,
yes.
please comment your questions below. Libre lang, guys. Huwag kayong matakot.
Mhm.
Hindi kayo i-bash. So by the way, Ma'am, may question
Mhm.
kanina.
Oo. Hindi ko kasi
Coach,
nakikita yung mga comments, sorry. Okay.
yeah, sabi ni Sir Rob
Mhm.
from Cavite, sabi niya, Coach, free po ba yung Go High Level or may bayad din?
Actually, ngayon free, pero kasi, meron akong puwedeng gusto niyo ng one-on-one or reaching out, I'm planning to, pero siyempre iniisip ko pa rin yung oras, yung ano, pero kung meron naman or gusto, yeah, I can offer. Nag-o-offer naman ako ng may bayad siya, 149 lang yung registration fee and then lahat na yun, lahat ng tungkol sa Go High Level is i-di-discuss ko sa inyo.
All right, so that's on the coaching side, ma'am, no? So parang course mo sa Go
Yes,
High Level.
coaching side na yun, yan.
So
Pero
I
may
think,
mga available naman sa YouTube, pero I think hindi gano'n ka-depth, hindi gano'n kasi 'di ba parang hindi gusto pa rin nila na kumuha ka ng parang mag-offer ka dun sa courses nila.
all right. So
Mhm.
and also I think yung question niya is yung Go High
Okay.
Level, the actual app,
Ah,
may
yes
bayad po
meron
ba?
siyang okay, okay. Yung yes meron parang $97 yung basic nila and then may $459 and parang mas mataas na yung 1,000 plus. Yeah, merong bayad yung
That's
subscription. Yes,
Bali,
meron.
ayaw yung 1,000 plus. Is it pesos or dollar?
Dollars din.
Okay, okay. All
So,
right.
tatlong package siya, 97,449 and then
But you know what,
$1,000
ma'am?
plus.
You know what, ma'am? I have a special offer
Mhm.
after the session. May ipepresent ako sa inyo and it's very exciting.
Yun.
I believe I believe na mention ko na to before that I am collaborating with a white label ng Go High
Yeah.
Level. So I'm gonna
Mhm.
present that to you. We're gonna entertain first questions.
Nice.
So I'm very excited
Sakto.
with this.
Mhm.
So tapos meron pa kayong discount by using my code. So
Mhm.
yeah, let's move on with the other question. Pwede ba gamitin as personal use as virtual assistant yung Go High Level?
Yes, puwedeng-puwede. Kasi, for example, ako, nag-o-offer ako ng course. Puwede akong gumawa ng landing page, tapos add ko lang yung form, and then dun na, pafill outan mo na sila dun. So, yes, puwedeng-puwede, puwedeng-puwede. Lalo't sa'tin na mga I think sa'tin nasa 4,000 pesos yung subscription ni Go High
Mhm.
Level.
So far, ma'am, do you have your own personal Go High Level account?
Meron ako, pero ano lang siya, sub-account. So,
Yes. Okay.
So,
All
same lang
right.
naman. Ang pagkakaiba lang ng sub-account dun sa pinaka-agency is parang pwede kang mag-add ng sub-account. Pero sa sub-account, same lang sila halos.
Mhm. But how does it gives you parang does it
Mhm.
make you does it make your task easier by using Go High Level or as a virtual
Oh,
assistant?
sobra, yes. Sobrang dali. Kasi, ano ba, once na may, may leads ka nakuha, import mo lang doon. Click mo lang yung name, basically nandoon na lahat, email, text, calls, nandoon na lahat yung notes, kung ano yung nangyari sa pag-uusap nyo. So, sobrang dali kasi parang may gusto kong i-review na client, ay ano na ba naging usapan namin? So, nandoon na siya lahat.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And also guys, if gusto mong maging agency owner or if
Mhm,
gusto mong
yes.
mag-manage ng website, Go High
Mhm.
Level is the perfect place for you. Kasi meron namang
Yes.
mga website builders like Wix,
Mhm.
Squarespace,
Mhm.
and so on and
Mhm.
so forth. But they have let's say limited
Oh,
features
yes. Mhm.
compared to Go High Level, almost lahat ng dun na. And if just in case
Mhm.
meron mga features na wala sa Go High Level, you can plugins, may mga correct me if
Yes.
I'm wrong, may mga plugins na pwede kang i-connect sa Go High
Yes.
Level to achieve
Mhm.
that functionality. So
Um,
napakagaling talaga.
I think na ang pinaka-popular is yung Zapier. Yeah, Zapier.
Yes.
Yun. Yung
So
mga
pwede mo
wala
siya
dun sa yung mga hindi parang hindi pa naka-features dun hindi pa naka-integrate kay Go High Level. So, gamit lang ng Zapier.
uh Alright. So sabi ni Sir, ni Ma'am, sabi niya Ma'am daw siya. Pero
Ay,
how
sorry.
much po yung full features ng app? So I'm gonna show you that
Ayun.
to you. Do you
Mhm.
have any answer to this, ma'am, or you lend it to me?
Ayun yun lang naman. Pero since meron kang parang discount, parang mas okay siya. Pero yung basic, I mean yung parang basic ni Go High Level, as in 'pag nagpunta ka sa website, parang $97 yung pinakamura nila. Yun na ano mo naman, pero may mga limit lang na parang ang inaano nila is ilang sub-account lang yung puwede mong magawa dun sa $97. Unlike sa $459 na unlimited, $459 na unlimited
Hmm,
na sub-account.
I see. Nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ayan, how much is the coaching fee? How much is your coaching fee again, ma'am?
149 lang, guys, murang-mura.
And how can they reach you, ma'am?
Ma paano ba? Emails
They can
meron ako pasensya hindi ako prepared dun sa ano na yun, pero i-aano ko yung email ko. Paano ko ba ibibigay sa'yo meron ka namang
you
copy
can
ng
comment
email,
you can either comment it down
yung
here, ma'am,
email niyo
or
na
show.
lang.
Yes,
Oo,
yes.
hold on. Paano ba ako magko-comment? So,
Yan, nawala si ma'am. Nawala si ma'am, guys. So anyways, just brief background while naghihintay kay ma'am na makabalik. So Go High Level, guys, is a very powerful tool, especially if you are a solo entrepreneur or a business person. It's a very good thing talaga to have a Go High Level account to level up your game sa social media. I have two Go High Level account na hindi ko pa nagagamit kasi I'm exploring other options kasi, but um, through this webinar I can really tell na gagamitin ko siya kasi it will definitely leverage your game sa social media or as a virtual assistant or freelancing. Ayan, nandito yung coach, nanonood ng coach natin, si Ma'am Dasheen Catedrilla, si Coach Coco. Follow niyo siya, guys, sa um, Real Estate or Reva Coaching by Coach Coco. Ayan. TTC po ba yan, Coach? I cannot answer it as of the moment kasi wala pa si Ma'am. Wait lang. Ma'am, paano po kayo ma-reach out one-on-one? So, I think Ma'am Jehan or I think Ma'am Andrea is still preparing pa. Discount. Ayan. So, while waiting, guys, I'm gonna present to you the Go High Level Kinemerut. Ayan, ito yung gustong-gusto kong i-share kanina pa. Ayan. Let me know if you can see my screen. Ayan, I think all right. So I think you can see my screen right now. So this is AHA Innovation. So ita-type ko yung website ng AHA Innovation sa comment section. You can check it out. So that's AHA Innovation. So I believe, guys, na itong mga features na to, CRM pipeline, unlimited sales funnels, survey forms, itong mga bagay na to, guys, this was discussed. And if you can see, guys, let's say for example, itong CRM pipeline. Wait lang ha, i-invite ko muna again si Ma'am Andrea. Ayan, I think nandito na si Ma'am. Hello, Ma'am. Can you hear us, Ma'am Andrea?
yes. Mhm.
Ayan, what happened?
Yeah. Nawala ako kasi gusto ko lang mag-comment. So, ito yung aking email. Or pwede rin sa Facebook.
Ano yung Facebook mo, Ma'am?
Ito yung Imperial. Hold on. Lagay ko yung link ng aking Facebook account. Mas mabilis doon ay kaysa sa email tayo. Baka mapunta pa sa spam at hindi tayo magkakita. Iaano ko dun sa iyong live. Dito.
And guys, if you still have questions, guys, please comment down. If you do have questions, clarifications, violent reactions, whatever you want, comment down below, guys, and we will answer that. Ayan. Ito yung Facebook account ni
Yes.
Ma'am. And guys,
PM nyo na lang ako dyan, guys.
PM nyo lang
Nagturuan ko kayo ng lahat ng nalalaman ko, lahat ng na-experience ko using Go High Level.
And for how much? is the
149
cost.
siya. Magse-send lang ako ng forms and then fill out niyo lang dun. Yan, we're good to go. Mabilisan lang.
Sa halagang 149 pesos, guys, you can learn Go
Yes.
High Level from the expert, our coach Andrea.
Yes.
Wag na mahihiya. Yung 149, guys, pang-load nyo lang yan. If
Mhm.
instead na i-load nyo yan, i-enroll nyo na lang yan sa course ni Ma'am
Mhm.
Andrea.
Mhm.
Ayan. And ma'am, dapat i-promote mo rin ito. Dapat you should promote
Working
it.
on that kasi sobrang konti lang nung oras natin nung nag-reach out ako sa'yo, eh. Kumbaga parang, "Ay, paano ko ba 'to napag-isipan?" So, ay ano ko muna, form. Pero yeah,
Pero
working on
you
that.
you've been on the coaching business for quite a long time now. Or this will
Yes,
be
kapag
your stepping stone.
yes, stepping stone. Pero meron akong mga tinuturuan na mga kasama ko dun sa yun nga, sa mga kasama ko rin na gustong matuto ng high level. So, medyo sila na yung parang practice ko.
Mm.
Mhm.
At least you have a track record of teaching. So how was
Yes.
them, ma'am? Are they successful? Have they learned something? Have they applied it on their clients, so on and so forth?
Yes, ginagamit nila yung Go High Level ngayon sa client nila. So, I think ilan na
Nice.
sila? Dalawa na yata sila. Mga tatlo, ganun.
Nice.
Mhm.
When po daw yun magsisimula yung training mo, ma'am?
I think, subukan by next week or by next week or Monday ng 16 yung, ay hindi, no, it's weekend. Hindi ako pwede ng, so, 14, 15, so yun yung schedule ko. Ayun yung, ano natin, schedule na pwede
Mm.
niyong pagpilian, Saturday or Sunday.
Basta mag-reach out lang kayo kay Ma'am Andrea,
Mhm.
guys. You will be
Bibigyan ko naman
updated
kayo
and
nung
informed.
schedule kung ano yung gusto niyong time. Depende kasi pa rin 'yan sa oras ninyo. So,
Yeah.
ako naman kasi is every weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So, kayo is kung available kayo ng weekend, yeah, we can meet.
Perfect, perfect. So I think wala nang questions, ma'am, and
Tanong,
it's already
questions, or
yeah, and it's
hihintay
already
namin yung
7.
discount mo.
Yeah. So ito guys, I'm gonna present to you the discount. So this is AHA Innovations. Again, I will nasaan na yung link? Ayan. So the link is on the comment section, guys, and it's flashed on your screen. So that's
Mhm,
aha-innovations.com. Ayan. So as you can see, guys, sa itong mga features na to ng na it's billed separately like Hubstuff is $99 per month. ClickFunnels tag 297 per month. JotForms 29, Mailchimp $49, 99 Twilio, Wix 99, Calendly 29, so on and so forth. Grabe. That's the price. So basically, you could pay, if you will use this all tools, you will pay around 7,000 pesos. But with AHA Innovations, guys, you can only pay $55.30 per month. Yan. So how much is $55 to Philippine pesos? So that's 3,000. And this, guys, mind you, this is their premium accounts. Masashock kayo kung how much yung basic account nila, yung pang virtual assistant, yung pang masang price. So 3, 2, 1, there. $10.50. How much is $10.50, guys? So that's around 500 pesos lang. Sa halagang 500 pesos per month, you could have the basic plan of Go High Level. So this is perfect for freelancers. You have 15 pipelines,
mhm.
unlimited sales funnels, 1,000 email marketing, and unlimited contract. Ayan. So you could also do small agencies, especially if you are an agency owner or nagsisimula ka sa agency. It will be for only 41 dollars per month. So how much is $41, guys? That's around 2,000 pesos. And 55 for the enterprise, which is, I think that one is the one that your client is using, where you can create sub accounts as well.
Mhm.
So that's for $55.33. So which is roughly around $3,000. Ayan. And ayan, so ito yung mga features nila. So you can go to
Mhm.
aha-innovations.com, and the promo code, guys, to get 12% off of your monthly subscription is check bibigay ko sa inyo yung promo code. So that's VA Rookies PH, no space, all capital. So instead of paying, so this is just an example kasi hindi ako
Mhm.
this is, I think this is yearly, annual, and it will be billed to you and monthly. So 126 divided by 12. So it's still $10 per month. But if you will use my PA Rookies PH,
Mhm.
you could save from $126. Let's see, loading kasi. Yan, di ba? Hello po, okay lang po. Wala. Oh, something went wrong. Parang epic. Wala. Wait lang. Lagyan natin ng space. Parang may space kasi.
Sobrang laki nung discount.
Yan, sobrang laki ng discount. Ayan! VA
Yes.
Rooks PH. So you can save 15 peso, $15, I mean, and 12 cents. So instead of paying $126, guys, you can only pay 110. So that's annually, guys. So how
Mhm.
much 110 divided by 12? So yun lang yun. So it will be much cheaper than $10 per month. Ayan.
Yes.
So isn't it amazing? Ako lang ba yung nahype?
Super amazing. 'Di ba?
Super amazing. So
Sobrang
as of the
mura.
mo, yeah. So I have
So,
this account.
question ko lang, kapag in-avail ko siya, agency account yung ibibigay sa akin?
So since this is a white label account, ma'am,
Oo.
um,
Okay,
I'm not
gets.
really sure if you are familiar with agency, parang ano,
Okay, gets.
as a white label.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
hindi siya
Hindi siya.
directly go high level.
Sub-account siya. Yep.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gets, yes.
Basically it will be a sub account. However, on the enterprise package, go back tayo sa enterprise package.
Mhm.
Ayan. Yan. So ito yung makukuha mo. So enterprise plan. So if just in case you will be you wanted to start your own business, that you
Mhm.
wanted to
Yeah.
avail the white label na kuan para ikaw meron ka ng own agent, own company
Mhm.
like this. So you can inquire. Ayan, I believe kaya mo na yan, mga nasa around, I think, 1,000, or if I'm
Mhm.
not mistaken,
Yeah,
1,000 or 22K
puwede
per
rin.
month.
Mhm.
Business to,
Mm.
malaking business. Actually, meron akong
Yes.
friend that yumaman talaga sila by selling white
Yeah,
label
meron
go.
din akong mga kaano may mga ano talaga yung kaano ko, nag-o-offer ng ganyan na malaki kasi parang bukod sa affiliate link, yung mga ganyan, offer ng course. So, malaking kitaan din, parang
Actually, that's what,
sideline. Yeah,
mm-mm.
sa inyo, para sa inyo. So, wala na po bang mga questions, violent reactions?
Di na po
Hindi na
ako
siya
makakatulog
makakatulog.
nito.
Kailangan natin matulog.
Kailangan natin
Yeah.
matulog or else tatagos ka sa
Sa
walls.
totoo. Mm.
Mapopromote ka sa higher management. Ayan.
Magkikita talaga
So,
kayo ni Lord diyan.
mag so anyways, guys, ma'am, thank you so much. I
Ah,
really appreciate you. Do you have
thank you
any
so
last
much.
message to our aspiring virtual
Um,
assistants?
yes, so mga magi-start pa lang ng pagiging virtual assistant, hindi siya easy, parang easy pace ng apply ng work, parang yun pa rin, apply, tiyaga lang. And then, wag niyo masyadong, don't too hard on yourself. Um, ano lang, chill lang tayo, kumbaga. And then, yun lang, enjoy nyo lang yung parang virtual journey nyo. So, kung may mga na-learnings kayo, natututunan kayo, yeah, and then pray, always pray. Laging hingi sagay galing sa
Amen.
taas. And then, pag may interview, reviewin nyo kung ano yung job description or job na hinahanap nila. So from there, yun na yung magiging parang base nyo para ma-ace nyo yung interview. So yun lang naman. Yun lang naman yung ginagawa ko once na nag-a-apply ako or may kailangan ako. Ano ba yung kailangan niya? Yun lang yung topic nyo na I can offer you this, ganto, ganyan. So, yun lang naman yung ano ko sa inyo, advice ko sa inyo.
And also, guys, as what we are always saying here in VA Rookies, padayon. A Visaya words
Yes.
that says magpatuloy ka lang. Kasi
Mhm.
if you will stop right now, kung hindi mo malalaman kung ano yung success na mararanasan mo in the future kasi nag-stop ka. So padayon, kahit anong mangyari, padayon,
Mhm.
patuloy ka lang. Kasi if
Mm.
you will not stop, your future self will thank you for not stopping or for not
Yes.
quitting.
Iyak ka lang 1 minute, then go na ulit. Yan.
Exactly. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Andrea. I
Thank
really
you.
appreciate it. Kahit meron
Thank you
tayong
so much.
problem at the start, but natawid
Yes.
natin. It's a
Buti na
very
lang.
successful event.
Ah,
Thank you so much. Let's keep in
you're
touch. And
welcome. Yes.
guys, thank
Yes.
you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Padayon tantanan. God bless us all and see you next time.